Hello everyone, this is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about using Google Slides and the new interface that was created maybe in the past year or two. And it's basically an easy way to kind of find your way around Google Slides, create new files, open old ones, and also convert files, which is something a lot of people like to do. Here's a basic overview of what it is. At the top, you'll see the bar which contains links to other Google services, including Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Drive. A search window, which is really useful for finding files of certain types. So if I, for instance, want to find all the PowerPoint slides that I have stored in Google Slides, I can just type PPT X, and then they'll start to pop up here, and I can just select them. Recent presentations are actually shown below the kind of halfway down the screen, and you can scroll down and see them all. And then at the top, if you want to start a new presentation, just click the blank option, or you can look at the template gallery. And they have a couple different defaults that are available to use. There's not a whole lot of them, but there's enough variety where you can probably find something you're interested in. One thing I found about the templates available in Google Slides compared to PowerPoint is they're not as sophisticated as the Microsoft PowerPoint options, but they're good for basic stuff. And then finally, over here, there's some important icons for you to know about. One is that the default is owned by anybody, but you can actually choose owned by other people, so not owned by me. So these are slides that other people created and then shared with me. And then here there are options to change from list view to grid view. Right now it's grid view, but if I press this, it will switch to list view. So it's kind of an easier way just to browse the titles without seeing the pictures that are on them. A to Z, that changes the sort option. So if you want to switch it to last modified, you could do that. Note that each one of these PowerPoint presentations or Google Slides presentations has a more options icon. It's looks like 3 dots, and you'll see them either in the list view or in the grid view, kind of at the bottom here. And you click on that. It gives you options to remove something, to rename it, etc. And then finally, the file picker. And this is one of the most important features. I use it practically every day when I'm using Google Slides. But basically, this lets you upload stuff, search for stuff, and find items that maybe you've starred, that is, you've marked them for follow-up later on. But what I usually do is use the upload option here and drag PowerPoint slides or PDFs or whatever here, and then they're uploaded into Google Slides, which is pretty useful to have. I have a lot more videos about how to get the most out of Google Slides available on the In 30 Minutes YouTube channel, available from in30minutes.com. And also, if you want to check out the book where I talk about how to do certain things step by step, check out my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Thanks so much for watching.